Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. The name is Jeannie. I'm super excited for today's video. Actually, I'm always excited for all my uploads. So I have gotten so many questions on how I edit my YouTube thumbnails. Your thumbnail is very important. I know I say this in a lot of videos, but it's the first thing somebody clicks before they watch your video. It's like a trailer. If people want to watch a movie, the first thing they do is watch the trailer. So if the trailer is good, then they can go ahead and watch the movie. It's the same thing with your thumbnail. If people look at your thumbnail and it's not nice, or it's not attractive, it's not pleasing to the eyes, there is no way they will actually click the video. Whenever I'm about to upload a video, the first thing I do is make sure I work on my thumbnail. Sometimes I take like 2 hours, 3 hours just working on my thumbnail because I want to get that really nice thumbnail that people will see and want to click. So enough of the talking, let's go ahead and make a YouTube thumbnail. So let's screen record first so that I can put it on either the left or the right side of my screen so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is ask yourself what type of video you are actually uploading. Are you uploading a sit-down video, a how-to video, or is it just reaction video? Is it a beauty video? Is it a vlog? You have to know this. When I'm actually editing a vlog, I pick the really nice scenes that are very catchy and very attractive, and then I merge them into the thumbnail. When I'm making a beauty video, I make sure I upload a really nice makeup look. If it's a how-to video, I make sure you want to click it. I make sure I have whatever the video is about in the thumbnail. So whenever you're creating a thumbnail, ask yourself, what will make me want to click somebody's video? Well, if you go on YouTube and you type in how to blow dry your hair, there'll be so many videos that pop up, but what actually makes you click that particular one? What actually attracted you? So if you figure that out, then you can actually implement that into your thumbnails. I already made this thumbnail. Is the review of the spicy McNuggets. If you haven't checked it out, please, the link is in the description. Go ahead and click it. I'll also leave it in the iCard up here. I love this thumbnail. It's very nice, it's very pleasing to the eyes, it's very colorful, and that's how I want my thumbnails to look like. I have the McDonald's symbol on there, I have McNuggets on there, I have the McFlurry and myself happy laughing on there as well. So I just want to show you quickly how I came about that thumbnail so you can actually implement these tips in your thumbnail. The first thing you want to do, as I mentioned, capture the very attractive scene out of the video. So this picture, for instance, it was a screenshot from the video, and this was also a screenshot from the video. So I asked myself, how do I merge these two? Because I like both, so how am I going to merge it? So I'll keep one as it is, and then I'll make sure I actually try and merge this particular one into this one. I know it sounds a bit confusing, but trust me, it's very easy. So I'll go to the app Snow. I love Snow so much, especially erasing my background. That is the app I use every time. And then I go to auto cut, and then I click this particular picture. We're going to erase the background and keep the ones we want in there. Once I check it, I'm like, no, I actually am missing some important details. So I go in and then I brush over the ones that I want in the picture. So I'll just brush over maybe the table, the McNuggets box, the McFlurry. I need the McFlurry in there as well. Then the box, I'll try and capture it. Sometimes I zoom in, okay, so I can go in and make sure I'm capturing or I'm brushing over the important parts I need. So let me do that now. While I was brushing over the important things, I also brush over things I don't need. So this is why I go to the eraser and then I clean it up. Guys, yes, it takes some time, but just be patient and work on your thumbnails. I'll speed this part so that we can move faster. I think you already get the point. So again, guys, this is a rough idea, okay? It wouldn't be perfect here, but I just want to show you how I came about that particular thumbnail because I've gotten questions on that. So yeah, maybe I'll just leave it like this. Yeah, it's not bad. I can actually leave it. I have the McFlurry, I have the nuggets in there, I have the box, so that's perfectly fine. I'll go ahead and I'll save it. And then I go to the app Phonto. If you know me, you know how I love Phonto. Go to plain images, then the size, and I'll resize it to 1280 by 720, and then I use that. So I'm going to add the image. This is the image I want to be the background. Done. And also I'll go ahead and resize that. Yeah, I'll keep resizing it. Yeah, I think it's fine now. Okay, I'll just leave it like this. And now I'll bring the other picture that I just erased the background. I'll bring it on here as well, move it here, and also size it up to where I want it to be. All I did was just place the other image on top of this. Just do that. You just size it up to make it look good, or just make it look how you want it to be. So when I'm done with this, I'm like, this is incomplete. There's still more I can do. I mean, if I want to leave it like that, that's fine, but what can I add to make it look very, very nice? I wanted the McDonald's symbol on there. So if you want this particular symbol on there, all you have to do is just Google McDonald's logo PNG, and I look for the image. You have to look for the one with a transparent background. This does not have that. This does not have that. Oh, come on, this doesn't have that. You can choose any McDonald's. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. So this is the McDonald's logo I am looking for. So I add this to my photos, come back to the app, Phonto, add image, then add the McDonald's logo on here. So all I did was just size it up and tilt it to my preference, or to how I want it to look like. So I made it a bit smaller, and then I tilted, no, maybe to the right. Yeah, I tilted it and moved it up here, right there. Simple, very simple. Let me tilt it up more. Yeah, very simple. When I was done, I was like, something is still missing. I have the McDonald's logo on here, but something is still missing. What else can I add to make it still look like popping? So I was thinking, and I was like, maybe if I get like some flames, or if I get more McNuggets on there somewhere, just to make it pop. You know, you have to exaggerate your thumbnail. So again, I'll go back to Google and just type in flames PNG. Let's see if we find something. Yes, we do. Let's see. Okay, this has a transparent background, so I'll add it to my photos. Go back to Phonto, add image. This is the image. Okay, we add it, and I just placed it on top of the McNuggets. I sized it up a bit and just placed it on top of that. Okay, already looking good. What else can I add? So I went ahead and I added more McNuggets. Go back to Google, just type in McNuggets PNG. Yeah, there'll be so many images with a transparent background, so you go ahead and choose one. I already have one in my photos, so I'll go for that. Let's see. Okay, so I have this. Okay, I have this one particular one here, so I'll go to Phonto, add image, then I add the McNugget and anything else to make it look good. Okay, so I went ahead to download all the McNuggets pictures I wanted in my photos. So now I'm just going to place it on this particular thumbnail that I'm creating. I just place it like randomly at different places, anywhere I think it looks nice at. So yeah, I have this box here. I'll move it up here. Just play around with it. Just do what you have to do to make your thumbnails look really good. And yeah, I think I'm already loving it. Let's see. Basically, this is how it will look in the end. Very simple yet very catchy. Of course, if anybody sees this thumbnail with me smiling, with me holding the McNuggets, with the McDonald's symbol on there, with boxes of McNuggets or nuggets on there, definitely be like, okay, what's up? Let me just click, because that thumbnail looks very, very pleasing to the eye. It's very colorful and everything else. So I'll go ahead and then I save it. Once you save it, let me bring it back into the Phonto app so you see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's very simple, it's very easy. So whatever thumbnail you have, just play around with it and make sure it's bold. If you have colors, make sure the colors are popping. This is how I make my thumbnails now. And some of you asked, and of course I had to deliver. Once I activate my membership, I will do a one-on-one with you. It depends on the membership type you pick. I'll edit one thumbnail for you. I learn every day when it comes to thumbnails. Sometimes, even though I've showed you this particular one, it might look simple, but then when you go to actually try it yourself, it's not that easy. But don't worry, I got you. So anyway, I think I'll go ahead and end this video here. I don't know what else you guys want to see from me. I hope I covered everything. Yeah, I covered everything. I hope so. But anyway, let me know what you guys want to see from me. What other videos you want to see from me. I love you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye. At your feet, baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.